Hi, this is Greg at BigHammerWines.com. Have you ever wondered what the difference between organic, biodynamic, natural, or vegan wines are? A lot of people ask these questions, and I'm here to help clarify. Organic wines is something that very few wines in America actually have this designation. The reason is because vineyards are certified organic, and that allows wineries to put organically farmed vineyard on the wine. But organic as a designation for most wines is something that's relatively limited. You'll also see terms like biodynamic. What is biodynamic? Biodynamic wines is a way of farming and producing wines that's certified by an agency called Demeter. The concept of biodynamics comes from an Austrian philosopher named Rudolf Steiner. Back at the turn of the last century, over 100 years ago, he codified some principles and ideas about not putting external inputs into the vineyard, basically using a form of integrative farming that uses preparations. Those preparations are made by, among other things, planting cow horns in the soil and using what would be similar to homeopathic preparations in the soil in the vineyards. Biodynamics is maybe organic on hormones. It's organic plus. Many people ask me about what is a vegan wine. Increasingly, people are interested in what they're ingesting and what is in the wines that they're tasting. A vegan wine is a wine that does not use egg whites for filtration or isinglass. Isinglass is a commercial product that is derived from fish bladder. And both of these are products to help filter sediments out of the wine. And both of these would be problematic for anyone who is vegan and concerned about that. So many of our wines are not using those products. And if you have any questions or concerns about the wines that you're drinking and what's in them, feel free to reach out to us.